I just made $4,000 in profits last month with my side hustle that only required me to do 1 to 2 hours of work a day at most. I had no other choice but to choose this side hustle because as a student athlete, I have an extremely busy schedule and simply do not have time to work a job between going to class, completing homework assignments, and going to practices. Now, before I go any further, I'd like to briefly explain my story. I was struggling to make any money to pay for rent and get food, much less pay for my tuition. I did not want to put myself in thousands of dollars of debt coming out of school, so I had to find a way to earn some money around my schedule. Saw all these gurus online talking about drop shipping and SMMA, but after countless failed products and cold calls, I knew there had to be some other way. I had no skills to put into a business, so my options at this point were very limited. As you know, having no skills is not exactly a recipe for making money. Desperate, I signed up for DoorDash and Uber Eats, and I actually run both the apps at the same time to earn as much as possible. But all in all, it still wasn't enough because after I paid for gas, I was only coming out to about $15 to $20 an hour, and I did not have that many hours to work. So eventually, I found my big break. After all this trial and error, I remembered a family member had told me they were making over $400 a week with their new side hustle, and it seemed super simple, so I started out on my own. What I quickly found out was what seemed very simple was actually a lot more complex than I had initially thought. Thankfully, my family member was able to answer all my questions and help me start earning my first dollar. And fast forward almost a year later, I've scaled to over $4,000 in 1 month. Before I say what the side hustle is, I want to make it very clear that it does still require work. It's not just some get-rich-quick scheme. And while the work is fun and easy, if you're not someone who can put in an hour or so a day, or if you're someone who's just looking to get rich quick with no effort, go ahead and click off this video because it is not for you. But if you are someone who is willing to put in that time, there is an incredible opportunity that awaits you. Because phone flipping is a little known side hustle that makes absolute bank, and it creates that monthly cash flow that is so desirable. Picture this, having way more free time as you could flip phones as a student instead of your $10 an hour job, or making way more money while driving around, but no longer having to rely on DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Instacart, but picking up and reselling phones instead. Or maybe even having that extra $3,000 to $5,000 a month to spend on whatever you want. Whatever your reasoning may be, you clicked on this video to earn some money on the side, and I am here to deliver to you the best possible side hustle that you can start this year. Now you might be wondering, why phone flipping? Well, let me break it down for you. First, the market demand for smartphones is evergreen. New models dropping every year, there's always someone who's looking to upgrade, and that's where we come in. And get this, you don't need a huge investment to get started. Unlike other side hustles or business models which require a ridiculous amount of startup capital, a few $100s is all you really need to flip your first phone. And if you don't even have that yet, everybody has something laying around their house that you don't use anymore that you can go ahead and sell to get that small amount required to get started. Now, in case for some reason you're still confused about what phone flipping is, it's the process of buying people's old phones and then reselling them for more. See why I thought it was so simple? And in a way, it is, and you can get the hang of it very quick. But it takes a certain process to pull in over $4,000 a month. And you might be wondering, where in the world do I even find these phones to sell, much less for a good enough price to resell? And thankfully, it's pretty straightforward. I operate almost exclusively from Facebook Marketplace, but OfferUp and word of mouth certainly play a role as well. So all the phones I buy are from local people in my area, either coming off an upgrade or maybe they're just looking to get some quick cash themselves. As soon as I see a new phone listing in my area, I immediately message them to try and get it for a price that I know I can make that quick profit on. And I never profit less than $50 on a phone to make sure it's worth my time. And I usually do much better than that, averaging around $85 to $90 on a typical month. And when you're selling over 40 phones a month, which is very doable, you can do the math on that. But let me be real with you for a second. Phone flipping isn't some walk in the park. It takes time, patience, and a whole lot of trial and error. There are a lot of things to look out for, such as scammers, blacklisted devices, and damages to the phones, among many other things. And like I said, when I first started, I had so many questions. And fortunately, I had someone who had been there to teach me and show me every step of the way. Now, I, unfortunately, do not have time to help everyone that watches this video one-on-one, but what I went ahead and did is I created a free case study below that tells more of my story and explains how I got from $0 to $4,000 in a month. And if you're at all interested in having at least an extra $3,000 in your bank account a month from today, that free case study is going to be your best friend. And remember, I'm not here to sugarcoat things. Phone flipping is hard work, but let me tell you, the payoff is so worth it. Making thousands of dollars a month, no boss breathing down your neck, and controlling your own hours. And not to mention, most of the work is just driving around picking up phones. So if you like listening to podcasts or music while you're in the car, it probably won't end up feeling like work at all for you. With phone flipping, you call 100% of the shots. You can work whenever, whether it's hustling between classes, trying to make a little extra after work, it's all up to you. And now I'll go a little more in detail on the selling process because I'm sure some of this may seem a bit confusing now. After I reach out to the new listings on Facebook, I wait for the response. If the sellers do not agree with my price point or are not willing to negotiate, I move on to the next. Phone flipping is a numbers game, and as you've probably heard in the past, money loves speed. So it's crucial for me to move from phone to phone as quickly as possible. Once I have found one that I can buy for a good price, I arrange a meeting location as quickly as possible. I'll drive up to an hour away if the price is right. Typically, I like to stay within that 30-minute time range to save my time. Most of my meetups end up being super close to me, so I can make a lot of money within minutes. Oftentimes, I'll just drive across the street to buy or sell a phone. And after I arrive at the meetup location, I go through and inspect the device, make sure it has no damages I wasn't aware of, and make sure it hasn't been blacklisted or reported lost or stolen. I will then come back, take really nice pictures of the phone, put in a good title and description, and post it right back to Facebook Marketplace. And it may seem kind of crazy to sell on the same platform that you buy from. When you're moving fast, you can actually control the entire market for phones in your area. And the way I like to go about thinking this is that there's normal people looking to buy phones and normal people looking to sell phones every single day. Then there's the resellers. What you want to do is effectively eliminate the normal people selling to each other and make sure if anyone wants to sell their old phone, it's to you and to you only. And on the flip side, if anyone's in the market for a new phone, they will buy from you and you only. Over time, if you do good business, you will accumulate good ratings, which greatly help in the selling process. This helps me get more profit on every flip because Facebook Marketplace meetups sketch a ton of people out, and most people are willing to pay for that extra bit of safety that they know you're legit. Once I make a sale, I'll simply rinse and repeat this method. It does take time, but once you get rolling, it becomes almost addictive and hard to stop, so profits keep coming in every day. Now, it is likely there'll be competitors in your area selling phones just as you are, which makes it very difficult to get the best deals. I personally have at least 5 to 10 other resellers in my area, and I do live in a smaller community, so there already is not enough to go around. Yet I dominate these other resellers, and the reason for that, like I've been saying, is speed. Even though my day-to-day schedule is probably busier than most, I'm constantly checking and messaging new listings, which is the number one reason for my success. And I say this so when you begin, you aren't scared of the competition, but embrace it and make it a goal to destroy them as well as soon as you can, and look for ways you can outdo them, whether it be better listing photos, a more detailed description, or whatever it may be. Find a way. Now, if you're lucky enough to have no competition in your area, congrats, you just struck gold. Please go seize this opportunity today before someone else gets the idea or sees this video. And before I wrap this up, I just want to say if you're someone who is in a similar position to me, struggling to make rent payments, or even have money to go out to eat with friends, or maybe you're in thousands of dollars of debt and your job just isn't enough, or maybe you want that new car or to take a trip you've had your eye on for a while now, just haven't had enough to make it happen. Or maybe it's a thing where you have no time or no skills like me when I was starting, but need a way to bring in some money that works around your schedule and has a low barrier to entry. Or maybe you're a student yourself who has to pay your own way unlike all your friends whose parents are paying for all their expenses. It makes it hard to have a social life because you can't afford to spend $100 every weekend like them while trying to pay for a tuition as well. If any of that resonates with you at all, this can be your big break. I promise you, if you start today with the right mindset, you can completely change your life. I know this because I've done it, and I'm not one of those fake gurus selling some $3,000 course about something they've never even done. I have actually walked the walk, and I know you can as well, which is why I'm here to help as much as I can. If this sounds exciting to you and you're ready to get the ball rolling, I have put together a free school community for people who are starting off in this side hustle, where you can start off in this journey and network with other people who are doing the same thing as you and help get your questions answered. Trying to start this alone would have been nearly impossible for me, and there's no reason for you to jump in alone when this community exists. In this community, you'll have access to me, as well as a bunch of other members who are already flipping phones themselves. And you can use this to fast track your way to getting that extra $3,000 to $5,000 a month. Hopefully I'll see you in my community soon, and I cannot wait to help you get started growing your own phone flipping business, as I did.